portfolio websites, both a boon and a curse. There isn't time to make one, but it's so goddamn vital. If you make the right one, then it will open up opportunities like no other. So today we look at some excellent portfolios that have been developed with Framer that I have come across on the internet. I feel every Framer website usually looks the same, but this should motivate you to create some website with some character and personality. These websites have some eye-catching animations and some ridiculously good visuals with some gorgeous typography. This video's purpose is to simply show you what's possible on Framer if you want to get noticed and stand out. We'll be starting up from some elegant and clean websites and go all the way up to some jaw-dropping ones. First up, we have Somanna. Has the coolest loader I've ever seen. Makes you feel nice. And the website itself is brilliant. The micro animations are subtle and so clean and doesn't distract you. Makes it look so elegant. Eye-catching colors, great fonts, amazing visuals. The copy feels personal and that adds some character to this website. The branding game in general is just on point. A very well thought out footer too. Gives pointers to start cold messages and a very good placement of resume. I love the use of icons, especially the sign icon over here. And for anyone watching and feeling depressed, notice that this is the 19th version of the website. Hope this website inspires you to go update yours now. The only thing I wonder is why this website doesn't have a strong CTA. If that was intentional, then I just have one reaction for this website. Chef kiss. Well, this was from a guy still studying in school. Next up, we have the legend himself, Vijay Verma's portfolio. There's a reason why I have included this in my list. More on that in a bit, but let me walk you through the portfolio first. The strength of this website is that it's simple, clean, and doesn't overwhelm you. Usually, it's hard to make a website look good when you have a lot of colors, but with all his expertise, Vijay sir has made this website look so unique and elegant. I'm just in love with all the use of blurs, gradients, and the noise pattern in this website. And you know the best part about this website? You can create one for yourself for free because Vijay sir has made this entire UI kit for this website open source. If you ever use this, then send him a thanks from both you and me. And before we go to the crazy ones, I want to show you this one simple and fun website from this guy called Shubhang Rajput. This website is an example that you don't have to make it crazy and you can stand out if you just add some personal touch to it. Adds personality to your website. A standard grid over here, but good bold images, and it does the work so nicely. Nice way to show that you don't have to be a one-dimensional designer with some great copy again. And nice playful image again to know more about him. There's one brilliant thing I noticed in his case studies. The case studies in general is good, shows some good visuals and is very scannable. But the brilliant part is at the end where he redirects whoever has come till here to the next case study. This is a pattern we'll keep seeing across more portfolios as we go through. In short, simple, playful and a fun website. Next up, we have Atul Khola. This was the first website that made me go when I got to know that it was built on Framer. I'll let Atul describe his own website, which I think is pretty damn accurate. It's a beautiful UI with an efficient UX and a lot of delightful interaction. The only thing seems to be that it's a little slow to load on slower networks. But apart from that, this website reads itself like a story with some great copy and so much character to each and every line. The attention to detail is second to none. Even the testimonial is so on point. Easy to scan the headings, the emojis make it stand out, and compared to other testimonial, it looks so damn good. And that's not even the best part of the website. The best part of the website is the built-in marketing tool, which is so goddamn innovative. To show that he is funny, he has a section where he shows these Twitter memes. And that's what a normal person would have done. But he has gone the extra mile and provided this CTA, where if you click on the button, it redirects you to Twitter with a pre-composed tweet tagging himself and his wife. Brilliant. Just brilliant tactic. Atul, I don't know if you're funny, but you're goddamn smart. Next up, we have Via. This website blew me away. Like seriously, have you ever seen a hero section like this? I will show you something so cool that it's freaking unbelievable in just some time. But before that, let me show you around. You get to know that she's a UX designer and what her values in design are. And a lot of things are clickable here, like this me file and then this CV in a nutshell file. I just love the presentation over here. You get to see that she draws and it also has an Easter egg. If you do get the Easter egg, please send her a message and tell her how goddamn beautiful her website is. And when you scroll, you find some case studies which too are brilliantly crafted. Just like the homepage, the usage of font in this case studies and the visuals are just top notch, and it also reads like a story. And then the section tabs are very helpful for folks who are in a hurry. And as you can see, there's a different type of nav menu here, which is pretty cool. And speaking about cool, the coolest part about the website is here in the hero section itself. When you click on this logo, you get to actually play a game inbuilt. Like, what even, man? Just to double check, this is actually built in Framer itself. And the attention to detail, man. For example, you just don't get a normal see more button over here. Instead, you have the small animation too. Freaking, even the footer is so well damn designed with so much character to it. In short, 100 on 10 website. It put a smile on my face when I saw it for the first time. If you thought this was a crazy website, wait until you see Diana's. It's a simple website but has so much personality to it. And the thing that stands out for me is instantly how she calls her work as exhibitions. A brilliant way to show how much you value your work. It's a horizontal scroll and the entire scroll till the end is filled with these cute and smart illustrations. I so badly want to see the heat map and the drop rate for this website because I think it should be super less. And even the about section is so innovative. Not one huge para, but rather it's split into a who, what, how, and these illustrations are pretty funny too, which complement it very nicely. Again, such good attention to detail over here in this website as well. A good way to end the website too. But let me show you how well she has crafted her case studies too. Right off the bat, delightful animation which doesn't actually distract you. An innovative redirection for busy people to just check the final images. Helpful section tabs that are always accessible. And like in all great websites that we have come across, redirection to other case studies at the very end. What stands out for me is that she has linked her resume again here as well. In short, speechless simplicity. Totally an exhibition worthy portfolio. Oof, we are finally here. The most mind-blowing one for the last. Before we dive into this, one request. If you like this video, please do share it with someone you know so that we can all help each other design better. This website, man, it's like God's own work. One of the rare websites which has an auditory experience included. This is a portfolio, but it doesn't stop there. Let's go through the portfolio first before I show you the crazy stuff. Multiple case studies which are visually heavy and the artworks show a variety of stuff he has done. But the coolest part of this website is what he calls the village. Basically, it redirects to his company, but you'll be blown away by his work, and it's all built in Framer. For example, if you play this Vortex thing, it's so damn cool to play with all this stuff. It's so enticing to keep playing with this. And then if you come to the experiences, you can play with this other cool ring stuff. You guys should try this out for yourself. And the best part, like I told you, everything has music included. It's like the best experience I've ever gotten through Framer or in any website. In short, magical. Just magical. And that's it for this video. Until next one, peace. If you like watching these videos, subscribe to get notified, and here's another video that you might like.